Welcome. If you're tired of getting notifications every time a specific page post pops up on your Facebook feed, you're not alone. Today, I'll show you how to quickly disable notifications for a particular page post on Facebook using your PC, following the latest update. This method is perfect if you want to stay connected to a page, but don't want to be alerted about every comment or reaction on a single post. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to facebook.com. Log into your account as you normally would. Once you're on your Facebook homepage, scroll through your feed or visit the page directly to find the post you want to silence. When you've located the post, look to the top right corner of that specific post. You'll see 3 small dots lined up horizontally. This is the options menu for the post. Click on these 3 dots to reveal a list of actions you can take. From the menu that appears, simply choose the option labeled "Turn off notifications for this post." Once you select this, Facebook will immediately stop sending you notifications about new comments, reactions, or updates related to that particular post. You'll still be able to see the post and interact with it whenever you want, but your notifications will stay clutter-free. This feature is especially handy if you've commented on a popular post or if a page you follow has a post that's getting a lot of attention but you don't want to be notified about every single interaction. Remember, you can repeat these steps for any post that's causing too many notifications, and that's all it takes. With just a few clicks, you can regain control over your Facebook notifications and enjoy a more peaceful browsing experience. If you ever want to start receiving notifications for that post again, you can always go back and adjust your settings. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our channel for more helpful tech tips and guides.